How to change the Ocenaudio theme or appearance? First of all, open Ocenaudio on your computer and go to the top menu bar. Click on the Edit option and from the drop-down, select Preferences. This will open the settings window where you can customize various parts of the application. Next, in the Preferences window, click on the General tab from the left-hand menu. Here you will see options to change the appearance under the Appearance Color Scheme tab. Ocenaudio comes with several built-in themes like Dark, Light, and Automatic. Choose Light if you prefer brighter interface or Dark if you want a darker one. Now, simply click on the drop-down menu and choose the theme that suits your preferences. As soon as you select a new theme, Ocenaudio will apply the changes instantly, so you can preview how it looks without restarting the program. It will also apply to your waveform color, background color, and other visual elements. And that's it. Now you know how to change the Ocenaudio theme or appearance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.